Welcome to my channel. Food, travel, Life Reality USA vlog.
Friday breakfast at work. Wala siyang pasok, ako mayroon. So, nag-breakfast kami dito sa trabaho ko. Diba? Bait ng asawa. It's a lot of fun.
Camera recording.
Yeah, this thing is horrible on miles, guys. Yesterday we had 200 and something miles. Now we have 100.
Ito na naman tayo, yung paborito ko. Yete siya, oh. Yeteng Yete. 21. Gandang brand, no? Ito. Thermos for coffee. $31. Ganda naman. Ang ganda nito, oh. Wow, one set. Sa labas. Kaya lang, that's kind of expensive with a set. Parang outside. That's a good color for my backyard. Nice.
Here they come.
Kick up their heels. They're coming down here now. Hard tack, sleeping under your door. Today you'll catch a glimpse of that van.
I'm sorry.
You good, you good, you good.
It's a reminder of Fort Worth's Western heritage. The cowboy grit, rugged showing grain, Texas spirit. That spirit is still here. You are a part of it.
Oh my God. They're loose. They're loose. They're nobody there. Oh, that's kind of scary. No wonder they told us that if you run, you run fast. Fat time.
No, we're at the forward doctor.
I don't know. Is this for Angel? For us? Kasi alam mo sumunod sa akin yan.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Mabait na siya ngayon.
Umalis ka dyan. Inuman mo yan eh.
Apa?
Ako, oo. Love you. This is your food. Kaya lang box lang yan. Pag umulan, basa. Diba?
Maraming ano dun, yung karton. Ay, yung box.
Dapat
yung
lagyan ko ng
Tupperware.
plastic dyan. Lagyan ko ng plastic. Parang ito oh. Para ano siya, hindi masyadong ano na to. Kasi din naman siya nababasa eh. Nililinisan ko yung uo.
Tinitingnan.
What an awesome view. Arlington Lake. Wala pa masyadong tao pero maya-maya crowded na to. Ayan, ang buhay ha. Mahirap, masaya, malungkot, magaan. Ganun lang yun. Mabuhay lang tayo. Okay, so this is it. Life in Texas, very simple. Working 7 days when you are managing a department. Kala mo, expertan. Lalagay ng bulit sa... Ito na. Okay, lock ko na. Ready na yun to shoot.
When you believe in yourself, you don't need to convince anybody about how great you are. When you are content with yourself, you don't need the approval of anyone else. And when you accept yourself, the world will accept you.
Yeah, because I need to light it. How do you open this? Open. And open.
There's gonna be a signal right here.
There you go.
Okay, so this is where the turkey is going.
No.
Yeah, I didn't know. You're gonna put the turkey inside, and then you're inside. I'm a cook. You know?
How you gonna feed that? You gonna go poke a hole through it to get it through?
Yeah.
Okay, go poke that through the turkey.
Let's go get the turkey.
I'll make sure it's completely on.
It's a lot of fruit. No run.
Bakit kapag bigla yung katawan na isways na, tumatanda na talaga.
Sus Maria, 40 ka lang. kumpara sa 50. Ganyan. Hindi ko dinala yung stand ko eh. Halika na. Mayroon na magmumowing dyan. Dudumi yung ating aking truck. Gagawa sila ng kanilang magmo-mowing sila. Nagpapamowing ako dati, 50. Mahal, adi ako na lang. How do you turn this on, Daddy?
Turn it around.
Like this? And?
Pull the button.
This is a downtown. We are seeing old train. Morrison City Hall. That's a big chess games over there. Can I go up to the stairs? I doubt that, but I will try. I can. That's when you get old. When you get old, your legs get weakened. Ito yung train nila, no? Can you go first, please? Yan. Happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine. Tapos naka-red shirt tayo.
Yeah, right. Forgot. She's going to work. So I caught her. And I found a man. I worked only half day. And then I came home. I thought, I'm gonna surprise him. I didn't go to work. I found him in the kitchen. With pasta. That's the pasta. Tingnan natin ito. Ihahalo daw niya yan sa stir fry. Tingnan natin. Pabayaan ko siya kung anong gagawin. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan. Tinitingnan mo yung bintana mo.
Kasi tiniklop ng ano yun, hindi pa nung hindi ko pa naayos. Pero okay naman.
Tiniklop na. Ayan. Oh, perfect.
Ayun kung natitiklop yun.
Okay na? Nagbibideo ka sa dagdalan natin? Tinuturuan ko siya kasi yung kanyang salamin sa mirror, side mirror.
Usa kasi nagtitika, alam mo naman, automatic.
Automatic nga.
Siguro pag may lumalapit na ano.
Automatic mo eh?
May cones.
Oink.
Ilag nga ako.
May ilag siya mag-isa.
Oo, may ilag mag-isa.
So, gagala kami saglit. Ipapasyal kayo namin sa Fort Worth. Magla-live kami. Para makita nyo ang ganda ng lugar ng Fort Worth, Texas, downtown. Pagi, pa Pilipinas! Padala yun na package sa Pilipinas, ano? Gawa tayo ng ano, panel para doon sa kudal. Sa bakod. Babaliktarin ko na siya, ha. Nilagyan ko ng plato. Ganyan na, 'di ba? Babaliktarin. Ayan na siya. Oh. Ngayon i-slide ko. Para makita niyo. Boom! Ayan na siya. Luto na. Sarap tingnan, ano? O, pakita ko sa inyo kung anong lasa. Sarap. Sarap. Ito na.